this motherfucking bridge right here, I'm legit frightened. Like, what? Y'all, this is probably one of the steepest bridges I will ever drive on, because why would y'all make a bridge that steep and then the water is to the left? It do look really nice out here. I'm sorry, that was probably a horrible view. But y'all, what the freak? Y'all see this bridge I'm about to tackle? It's a nice day out here, for real, for real. Like, what? Y'all see this bridge I'm about to tackle? Oh my God. Oh snap. Woo! Jesus, please don't let no... Alright, y'all, hold on. I think I'm gonna have to see y'all later. Oh God. Oh my God, y'all. I hate stuff like this. Like, all jokes put to the side, I hate stuff like... Oh! Y'all, I hate it. I hate shit like this. Oh shit. It's like a roller coaster. You know when you're going up the roller coaster? And then it's like, is it gonna descend? Aw, shit. Look at the view though, it's beautiful. Oh, snap. Oh, God. Oh, I'm going down. Oh, shit. Oh, my heart is racing, y'all. Oh, but look at the freaking view though. I'm sorry, I'm not even pressing the gas going down here. Oh shit. I done used up all the gas trying to come off. Alright, y'all. I made it. See y'all at the stop. Alright, y'all. I have finally arrived to my... Here we go, y'all. I am finally at my location. Let's see what's going on with this. Get this off my truck and move on. Alright, y'all, first OTR delivery went exceptionally well. Now I'm about to go get some food. I'm starving. I should have ate earlier. I didn't. But I'm about to go eat now, y'all. So let's go. Alright, y'all. So I ended up getting some McDonald's, going to the gym, and now I'm booked a hotel because I don't have a load right now. So I'm at this Clarion Point Hotel. It's here in Port Neches, Texas. There's a semi behind me. And this is where my truck is parked at. They said it's okay to park here. So let's go in and see what this room is like. Then after that, I'm gonna go to Walmart to get some of that fluid for my truck, eat some food, and then I am going to probably rest a little bit and just enjoy the rest of my night. Shout out to all of y'all who do this over the road stuff, because I'm really homesick, to be completely honest with you. Oh God, at least the skin looks good though. All right, so this is the room, y'all. Yeah, this is the room. Okay, honestly, this actually looks, oh my gosh, this is actually really nice, y'all. I was a little sketchy. I mean, it had a 7 out of 10 rating anyway, which is actually pretty good. And the price was only $76.86 with taxes. There's this thing I go on, and I'll tell y'all later about it. It makes you save, it's like really for truck drivers. But okay, and it smells really good. It looks very clean, like they take care of it. Okay, like this is actually really nice. Oh snap. They got the shower. Okay. And then, okay. They got the 2 beds. I actually really like this, y'all. The view is probably crap. It's not horrible, actually. It's better than viewing the parking lot. But all right. I was just really sketchy about it because I don't like when you'll see. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I don't like how like the rooms, like you can step outside and you outside. You know what I mean? I like to be inside the hotel because it gives me very motel vibes. But like the room is actually really nice. It's clean. It smells good. Okay, I'm very much impressed. I'm impressed and I feel safe. It's currently 5:04. There's Walmart right next door. There's food around here. So I'm just about to lay off the truck for the night and just walk, bring everything I need back to the room. I got my water bottles. Just chill. But yeah, y'all, this is what I was talking about. I don't really like how outdoors be like this, but it's gonna work for me. There goes my baby right there. All right, y'all, so I just actually ended up getting some cheddars, some chicken and broccoli. I didn't go to Walmart yet, but I'm starving. So this is what I got. Tripod in the car. So this is what I'm about to eat on and watch some TV on, y'all. I'll turn the camera back on a little later, but this is what I got. Let me turn the camera around. This is what I got. Chicken and broccoli with some garlic bread and this croissant thing. I'm about to smash, and then I got a little juice. Let me get it. This is what I got, y'all, and so this is what I'm about to be eating on, y'all. I got some chicken and broccoli, some juice. I actually brought that from home. Then I got this croissant that I dropped on the freaking table, but shit, I'm about to eat it though. So I'm about to eat that, watch some Umbrella Academy, and then go to Walmart. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, y'all, so I walked 20 minutes to Walmart. Would have been a 5-minute drive, but hey, I've been in that truck all day. Let's walk for a change. But I'm at Walmart. Nick, remember, you're only coming in here for one thing. That is going to be your freaking fluids. That's it. Don't try to get nothing else. You're already on a budget out here. Okay, so it says it's in aisle I-30. So, all this kitty stuff. This Walmart is so big. Okay, I-15. I-30. Found it. Okay. I-30. This should be right here. I-30. Coolant. I gotta see which one is gonna be there. Hold on, I have a picture of the one I have. All right, y'all, so I did just end up getting, well, I got something else, but this is what I'm gonna get. I really want some fruits, because I ain't trying to just be on the road and, you know, not have no fruits for me. So let's see. Why are fruits so expensive? $3.98 for these cuties that are probably not even fucking good. Ugh. They feel hard. I know they're not good. Maybe I should just go home. Yeah, this is all I'm about to get, y'all. Maybe I get a couple apples, actually. That's what I should do. I'm gonna get a couple apples. Get a couple of these bad boys. So I can stay healthy, you know what I'm saying? I do need some peanut butter. Ooh, what if I get some peanut butter and some bread? Yeah, I might be onto something. I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that. Hold on, y'all. Oh, look what Walmart is selling. For freaking, I don't even see the price. Like, what? Let's get out of here. All right, y'all. What a day this has been, right? It's been very adventurous for me. Like, this is actually copyright. Hold on. But yeah, y'all, this is most definitely a new adventure for me. Like, usually, anytime I'm traveling out of town, it's for either vacation or an acting booking. Like, I've never drove over the road for trucking before. Like, I've been to Alabama, Tennessee, but those were literally running Amazon, and I'll be back, you know. All right, y'all, copyright. I got to get out this parking lot. Y'all trying to get me demonetized. But it's always been for like either Amazon, and hold on, y'all. I feel like that's gonna pick up copyright. I hope not. But I do feel like this is a new adventure for me, y'all. It's very interesting. Not saying I'm about to do this forever, but it's a very interesting adventure for me, to be honest with you. Very different, but I'm my own owner operator, so this is the life of an owner operator over the road. I am working on getting some local contracts in Atlanta because I still am an actor. So I would prefer to stay locally in Atlanta than going over the road. And also, it's just very, it's easier being local simply because less maintenance. You don't have to pay for as much gas, hotels, all that stuff. So I'm giving this OTR a shot just for right now, but peak season is right around the corner, y'all. So yeah, but y'all, I'm about to sign out for the night. I hope y'all have a great night, and I'll catch y'all back when I get another load, which will most likely, it has to be tomorrow. I ain't come over here to sit, so I'll be back tomorrow. But y'all have a great night. See ya.